Dude, the plenum gotta come off, this gotta come off, and that's it. So I just got my Dodge Snuggerman. So you can see the oil leak under the bottom?
He's saying it from top.
You can't really see oil leaks from the top. Well, you can see where it was leaking from up top, but it's gotta be. Let's let it up and see, look under the bottom, see what's there. Ah, Promaster with an oil leak. Imagine that. And it's got a 3.6 Pentastar engine in it. We're about to let it up in the air, guys, see where exactly this oil leak coming from. Alright, because now it's the same job as any other 3.6, but because this is a Promaster, it might be. Huh? Oh, no, that can't be it. Oh, it is. You can see it dripping. Damn, Charlie. How y'all let it go that bad? I just saw another drip. Y'all ought to be ashamed of yourself. What do you mean it's not drivable? You got the typical 3.6 Pentastar in it. Look, right here, on the back of the transmission. So it's strolling down the backside of the block, rolling down here and drip, 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 bam, down to the floor. Yep. 62 TE transmission. What is that water? Oh, y'all must have washed it or something. Water.
I guess that's just from being out on the road. Right.
So your oil leak right there, coming from up higher, guys. Let's see. Yeah, typically you see it rolling down the transmission, especially on like a minivan or something. Same setup as a minivan and a Dodge Journey and stuff like that. It'll trick you sometimes thinking it's a real mainsail, but it's not. But it is the oil filter adapter hazard. Yeah, you can see it down in the front. Screen down the front. What are you gonna tell Bobby not to drive?
I mean, we need to get it fixed or put it on the road, right?
Yeah, well, you shouldn't drive it without no oil in it. That's the whole. As long as oil in anything, you can still run it. You just, right. I mean, for all we know, it might not be none in it now. So, right, you gotta check it. He might, yeah. So.
Give it to the perfection.
Oh, look. Oh, it's real bad. You can see it on top of the transmission.
Oh, man.
Yeah. So it's just starting right there, working its way down. Man, I ain't never seen a bunch of non-hungry people in my life. It's still a car at the end of the day. If I didn't have that rack to do Monday, I'd knock this shit out. Check the oil level and take it outside. Well, if ain't no oil in it, put some in it.
We'll just pull it outside. We'll do that Monday.
Oh, okay. Go for it. Alright. That's that, guys.
Right, guys. Let's talk about this engine one more time, okay? Now, I just got word there is no core charge, so y'all know where it's going. In my truck. Yes, in my real truck. I took some of this stuff off because I want to take the head off. Now, guys, this is no secret anymore. In the beginning, it was a secret, but you guys are family. This is really how a lot of cats are removing their heads without removing the cover, okay? And for the record, you can do that on both sides. Now, I caution doing it this way. I'm just letting you know you can. All right? I will not make a video showing how to do this side. I do, however, have one doing this side, okay? In fact, yeah, I'll link it right there. But you're pretty much just removing this guide bolt off of the head. That's the only thing holding the head to the case. All right, so once that like is loose right now, so now if all your head bolts off, you can just simply, yeah, take it off and do what you need to do. And In the beginning, everybody was scared of letting this fall in fear of the timing coming off, but it's not gonna come off the crank. All right, we verified that in school when I first went and we built this engine, or we tore it apart to explain it. Yeah, it's not gonna go nowhere. But a lot of guys use a jumper, a bungee cord to hold it up because they're scared. Just mark them. Just mark the marks. All right. If you don't move the engine, the top dead center will not be moved. All right. But I want to talk about this. Yes, it is a bent. The piston is damaged and it bent the rod. Now, he didn't go as far as I went on my engine. The one I had that was seized up, the suspense was killing me. I really wanted to know what was damaged and how. So I pulled the oil pan off of mine, and I got way into the bottom. And, well, I don't even want to talk about it. I'll let y'all look at it, how it was on a Caravan, seized up. Customer went through some water, blah, 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 blah. All right, insurance company, yes, guys, these tend to get covered by customers, and how I don't know, but the insurance company covered them. It doesn't matter to us because it's still the same pay as far as CP. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all see what I found. Mine was a Caravan. This was a Challenger. I pulled the engine out. I even let that part of the clip show. I pulled the engine out, set it on the table, removed the oil pan, and I'll let you see how much damage. Look at this. That can cause. Look at it. That's just liquid. That I've seen water ruin homes, gutters being overfull, and it's just ruin homes, ruin engines. Water is a dangerous substance. It's dangerous. Be careful of water. It has its ups, it has its good, and it has its bad. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna shut up and let the rest of this video play, guys, so y'all can see my outcome of my engine. I tore mine apart. He's like, forget this, put it back there, JT, take it, do what you want. All right, that's that. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video. All right, thanks for watching.